Today, we are going to learn how to make something super tasty, a jam sandwich. But while we're doing that, we're also going to learn how to write a procedure. A procedure is a set of instructions that need to be followed in a specific order so that the task can be completed successfully. The first thing we need when writing a procedure is a title. In this case, our title is How to Make a Jam Sandwich. Next, you need to list your materials or ingredients. To make a jam sandwich, we would need 2 slices of bread, some butter or margarine, jam of any flavor you like, and a butter knife. Once you have all your ingredients or materials together, you then start to write your method or your steps in order. You use words like first, next, then, after that, and finally. These help to keep the steps in the correct order. Each step starts with a clear command like place or spread. That's what we call an imperative verb. In order to make our jam sandwich, first, we place 2 slices of bread on the table. Next, we use the knife to spread butter on both sides of the bread. Then, we spread jam evenly on 1 slice of bread. After that, put the second slice of bread on top of the first. Finally, cut your sandwich in half and enjoy it. When writing a procedure, it's important to remember to ask yourself, if someone followed these steps, would they end up with a yummy jam sandwich? If yes, then you've written a great procedure.